Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and today we're going to do a 5-part series specifically focusing on protecting your Tesla Model S from high wear areas. Areas that may receive road rash and rock chips and door dings or scratches from maybe even jewelry that's on your hand when you're opening up door handles. Most of you are familiar with the acronym PPF, which stands for Paint Protection Film. This technology has been around for years, and what started off to be exclusive for the high-end exotic car market, it has now become very mainstream and popular, especially with all of us Tesla owners. And the reason is because we love our Teslas, and we're going to keep them for many years, and we want to protect them, and we want them to always look great, and avoid going to the body shop for unnecessary paint repairs of multiple panels when road rash, rock chips, or high wear happens to those areas. Each one of our kits is going to come with our T-Max pre-cut PPF film to make this installation very easy. And to start off the installation, here's what you need to do. Step 1, go ahead and wash your car using soap and water. And when I say soap, I mean specifically like an automotive car wash soap. Something that you would find at an automotive supply shop or even your local market. Do not use dish soap. That is not a good soap to go ahead and wash your car. Now, after you've washed your car and wiped it down thoroughly, what you need to go ahead and do is also make sure that if you had previously had some sort of ceramic pro or ceramic treatment done to your car, you need to go ahead and make sure that gets properly removed, and that does not come off with washing your car. Or if you have some extra grease or buildup in some of these areas that we'll be focusing on, you need to make sure those areas are perfectly clean as well. And to go ahead and make that happen, we do offer this Dupli Color Pre-Wipe Towelette. It costs $3.95, and it's a nice accessory to go ahead and clean those areas of concern. It's not necessary, just a nice option. When this kit arrives to your home, it shows up just like this, and included with that will be 2 empty spray bottles. If you have your own spray bottles at home and they've never been used before, go ahead and use those if you feel more comfortable, but we do include 2 empty spray bottles. The first spray bottle, you're going to go ahead and fill it with about 1 drop of baby shampoo and then the rest water. And on the second spray bottle, I'd like you to go ahead and use some rubbing alcohol that you buy, again, at a local convenience store or market. The ratio of alcohol to water is 30% alcohol, 70% water. Put that in the spray bottle. We will also include 2 squeegees. This is the tool that you're going to use to go ahead and install the PPF film. So welcome to part 2 of the 5-part series, focusing now on the lower rear quarter panels and rear door areas that do get a lot of road rash and wear. Now, I'm a Model S owner, and for those of you that are as well, you probably noticed that our cars already came with a little bit of PPF on the lower rear quarter panels from Tesla. But unfortunately, it's not good enough. I've actually already had to remove that, which we will show you how to do in this video, and go ahead and reinstall additional coverage because that area that Tesla provided coverage of is just not good enough. Okay, Tesla fans, remember in the intro I mentioned to you that if you have a brand new Model S, that the rear quarter panel comes with some PPF from Tesla. It's right here, and I said it wasn't enough. Well, take a look at my Model S. It's not enough. Right here, as you can see, I have road rash from this high wear area. The Tesla original PPF is not enough coverage. Now, I'm going to bring Nuys in. He's going to show you how to go ahead and remove this. But guess what? Unfortunately, I cannot install our kit on this area right now because I have to go to the body shop. And they're going to have to go ahead and paint my whole rear quarter panel, make it all new again, and then I'm going to apply the proper coverage. Don't make the mistake that I made. Purchase our high wear PPF kit for this area so that you don't have to spend probably upwards of $1,000 to have your rear quarter panel painted. So this is really easy to do. Go ahead and just grab an edge, and once you get that going and you can get your fingers on it, go ahead and start pulling the film towards you, up and towards you. Do not pull the film down, but rather pull it up and towards you with patience, and you can see it easily will remove. So now that you see that the original film has been removed, it may leave some glue residue like you see over here as it left on my car. And to make it really easy, I do recommend that you go ahead and just purchase this. These wipes are really easy to use. They'll clean up this area. It's perfect prep before you go ahead and install the new film. So this is a good accessory to go ahead and add. So now, Luis is going to go ahead and show you just how easy it is to go ahead and do it yourself at home.
Now we're gonna do the rear door. Same thing, we're just gonna spray some alcohol and water to clean. Make sure we open the door and clean inside the edge too. And spray our soap and water. You gotta spray a lot of soap and water. So we place the film on the, open the door. So we just open the door and we just align right here on the bottom. We align right here first on this corner. Put some alcohol and water. Then we squeeze this corner first. And then we go up here and align this. Once it's all aligned, we just screw it out. Now we got this finger right here on the body line. We just spray some alcohol and water. And we just screw it out and very slowly. And just finish it with the towel. And for the edges, the same thing. We're just gonna spray alcohol and water. Squeeze it out on the edges. And we just go around the edge. And we just finish it with a towel. And we just do the same thing on the bottom. Okay, now we're gonna do the quarter panel piece. We're just gonna clean it with alcohol and water, soap and water. So all we gotta do right here is just align the film. And we're gonna start from the bottom. We're gonna start from the bottom on this corner right here. Some alcohol and water. So we make sure we leave a gap right here. And we just squeeze it out. Now we just open the film, soap and water. So now we're just gonna open the door, so it'll make it easier to finish it up. I'm spraying some alcohol and water just to make the film stick faster. And I'm just gonna spray some alcohol and water on the edge. And we're just gonna get a towel, and with the towel, we're just gonna roll the edges, just to make the dry the film on the edge. So make sure when you roll the edges at the end, press a little bit hard, so the film will stick. If it doesn't stick right away, you can just always let it dry for like 5 minutes, and you just go with the towel, and you should dry it after that. So now I noticed a bubble right here, and in case you get a bubble, you can just push it out without lifting the film up. Just you see where's the bubble, and try to use both hands and just push it down once. Just do like one shot, and you get rid of the bubble. Okay, now we're gonna do we're gonna work on the bottom of the car, on the side skirt. Saying we just clean the piece with alcohol and water. Spray some soap and water. Then we gotta align the piece. Make sure we leave a little gap right here. Once all aligned, we just squeeze it out. So now we just open the door to seal this edge. So we're gonna spray alcohol and water. And just squeeze it up. Same thing right here. I'm just gonna spray alcohol and water. So remember, if it doesn't stick right away, you can always let it dry, and for like 5 minutes, and just with a towel, just go over, and that's it. And you just repeat the same process on the other side.